How to restore a Windows computer to factory settings. Hey everyone, let's get started. On today's video, we will discuss how can we reset or restore a Windows back to its factory setting. So first of all, on this type here to search, tap on it and search for updates and security. Doing so will open the settings under which you can see Windows and security. On the left side of your screen, you will see this recovery option. Tap on it and on the first you will see reset this PC. So if it's not running well, you can restart. So first of all, tap on get started. There are two options. Either you can keep all your files or you can remove everything. So if you want to remove everything, you just have to tap on it and then your device will be restored or reset. This is one way to restore your file or Windows. The next step is tap on this Windows settings and click on power button. Now press the shift key and click on restart. Doing so will open a new tab whereby you can restart your device or reset your device. So this was it for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.